Hi everyone, Simon here from Aikido. Today we're going to show you the Aikido plugin for VS Code. The Aikido plugin is built to scan your files for secrets, code security issues, IEC issues, and code quality issues while you're developing. So this is the ultimate shift left movement. Our plugin also comes with a couple of extra really neat features, such as a pre-commit hook. Basically, we're going to check if there's any secrets before you commit. We've got SafeChain included there as well, which is a malware package scanner. And then we also have the Aikido MCP, which helps you with, for example, vibe coding on every code that gets created or in every prompt that is ran. We will also run the Aikido MCP. So let's take a closer look. Super easy to install, by the way. You just have to have an Aikido license. You log in through a login button here or through a personal access token. And as you can see, I got a couple of files open here. It's going to look at these files and it's going to show me, for example, what the issues are. So it looks like this file right here has a couple of issues. If I click into some of these issues, it's going to showcase where exactly that issue is. And it's always going to tell me what the issue is. I can then assess the impact with Aikido AI. I can report a false positive in case that's needed. Plus, we can also fix it with Aikido AI. So whenever I click that button on the right-hand side, a new tab will pop up, and that one is going to give me a fix, if available, of course, and then that's going to allow us to push that fix straight into the file, or I can reject it if I don't like the solution provided. So once this is done, you'll see that popping up here. While this is running, you can also run a dependency scan, and you will also be able to do a full-on workspace scan. I have an entire repo loaded here in my VS Code. I will go through all those files and then just showcase how we find things while you're coding. On the right-hand side here, by the way, it's loaded our fix. Basically, the red lines are the bad lines. The green ones are the good ones. We can now reject those changes or apply those changes. When you do a workspace scan, as I said, it's going to go and run through the entire workspace, and then it's going to give me all of the files where we've detected an issue. Once this is done running, you will see that they will all be lined here, and then I can click through all of them. In the meantime, I'm going to fire off a dependency scan. This is then going to showcase if there's open source dependencies. Here we go. We've got all the files, and it tells us how many issues we have. I can go into this one right here. It's going to open up the file. If I click into one of these issues, so it'll open up right here. And then on the right-hand side, on the left-hand side here, you can see that it's found a bunch of code issues. Again, if I hover over it, it's telling me what the issue is. I can, again, fix it with Aikido AI or even report a false positive to Aikido. We've got this open source dependency scan running here. It's almost done. Once that is done, I will showcase what it will find. There we go. We found some issues here in POM XML. And then if I click into it, it's basically telling me, hey, there's a couple of packages that will probably need to get updated. I can actually create an auto fix in my IDE as well. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that we can do. Again, with the expansion packs, you'll be able to get all of these included in the IDE plugin. So thank you so much. Have a great rest of your day.